am so happy making this video. This whole day was so awesome. I did this makeup look. I shot a couple of reels for my Instagram on this look. Tutorial is also there. If you like this look, then make sure that you go and check out my Instagram. But before that, let's just stop all of that blabbering and focus on what this video is about. This is the type of video that I've been longing to make since so long. Like, I had a channel before this, and that is not there anymore. But like, I've been YouTubing since 4 or 5 years. I can't count. My brain is not functioning right now because let me tell you, I got my first ever PR parcel from none other than my glam. I can't speak. सुबह से मेरे से बोला नहीं जा रहा है. I am so happy. It's unbelievable. I have it in my hands and I can't believe it because it is so huge to me that they've sent me this. They have sent this to me, and I'm really grateful for this life, for you, for everyone who's kept motivating me. I can't tell you how much this means to me, and it's been a really nice experience. I can keep sharing my experience with everything. And मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे जल्दी से ये खोलना है, तो अभी ये सब बोलना बंद करते हैं. And I'll tell you the whole story, how it all started, and everything about my glam and me. And if you're interested, then make sure that you continue to watch this video till the end. And that's it. Let's start. I will definitely tell you all the whole story, but अभी ना मुझसे wait नहीं हुआ जा रहा है. पहले हम लोग इसको open करते हैं. And for that I have this beautiful knife which coincidentally is matching, like the color of the knife is matching with the color of the box. Are you ready? Okay, wait, the question should be, am I ready? The answer is no, but there we go. Oh my god, this is the first thing that I see. Now you're my Glam XO insider. I'm gonna tell you the story. Wait. Let's just see what all we have. Okay, this is the bill. So we have all these beautiful products inside here. Let's just get in and see what all I have. Okay, so the first product that I have here is this My Glam Lit Matte Lip Liner Pencil, and this is in the shade nude. It's gorgeous nude. It's a brown nude. Can you look at that? I think this is gonna be really nice, a really pretty shade for lip contouring, and then you can go ahead with whichever lip shade you want to go for, like whichever lipstick. I love the shade. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful nude. Let's dig into the product 2, which is a lipstick. Again, another lip product. This one is called My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, and the shade is, I think the shade must be written inside, or is it shade 15? Wait, let me open. Ooh, okay. The shade is 15. Yeah, it's the shade number that was written on the packaging. I was not sure. Okay, so this is the shade. There was a time I was obsessed with purple lipsticks. I used to wear them every single day of my academy time. I loved purple, and ever since I've just not bought any purple lipstick. It's gonna be so stunning. I love funky different colors, but I think that was me 2 years ago. Right now, at this point, I am into nudes and you know subtle lips and heavy eyes, as you can see right now. So I'm gonna do a look with this, and maybe it's gonna bring back some memories. Let's see. I'm definitely gonna create some looks on my Instagram using these products. So if you're interested to see these products in action, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. So the third product that we have here is Jet Set Eyes Kajal and Eyeliner. The shade is called Noir, Noir. I don't know. Sorry. Okay, so it's a retractable pencil. Okay, you can stop. Okay. So you get so much product in this pencil. So ये तो काफी time चलेगा. I hope the quality is good. I'm gonna test it and let you all know. And I'm gonna give you my feedback if that worked for me or not. Now I'm gonna show the last two products, which are these beautiful nail paints. The shade is called, this is Bali, and this one is I'm sorry, I think this is called oh god. It's these are Wanderlust matte nail paints, and I can do it. I can do it. I have to just open this package. What the? Okay, let me try from the other end. उल्टे बाजू से निकलता है तो देखते हैं. I can't open a nail paint. What is this, Chandni? What is this? और ये खुल क्यों नहीं रहा? वो दूसरा वाला तो 1 सेकेंड में खुल गया. अरे ये क्या है? Okay, so these are the two nail paints that I have, and to be honest, they are pretty similar, like very similar. As you can tell, I think they are my taste, so मैं तो खुशी खुशी लगाने वाली हूँ ये shades. If they were neon or any dark shade like a purple or something like that, then I'm not so sure if I would have been comfortable wearing those, but ये तो are still in my comfort zone, so I'm gonna wear them a lot now. And that's it about the unboxing. The video is not over yet. Now begins the fun part. जब मैं आपको बताती हूँ, I know मुझे ना ऐसे साथ में करना चाहिए था, एक प्रोडक्ट निकाल के थोड़ा थोड़ा बताती जाती थी स्टोरी, तो अच्छा रहता था. Let's see, it's okay. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा excitement थी products को लेकर. Okay, so now starting with the story. What happened is you might know that my Kokila video went pretty viral on YouTube and even on Instagram. तो पहले Instagram पे it was going well, and that's when I think it was in September when Plixo gave me a repost on their page. So it was really awesome to get a repost on such a huge page, obviously. And then I put it on my stories and then I tagged them, so you know I reached to their DMs and they liked and replied something. So that's what happened in September. And then I think it was in October 4th or 5th when I got a DM from Plixo, and I was like, shit, what is this? Why am I not checking my Instagram very often? Like I was, I think, a few hours late to reply them and to see their message. तो मैंने बोला यार अभी जल्दी खोल के देखती हूँ, and then I opened, and so there was basically this invitation link to become the beauty creator for My Glam. तो मैं वो link open किया and then I filled it, and the reason that Plixo sent me this link, I was like wow. और किसी ने मुझे नहीं बताया, मुझे खुद Plixo ने आके बताया, तो मैंने बोला यार am I already selected? A lot of my friends had filled the form and they told me कि they got this form, यहाँ पे it's there in their bio also, so you know it's okay, they were just doing this. तो बाद में मैं realize कर दिया कि ठीक है मैं select नहीं हुई हूँ. Okay, फिर क्या हुआ ना कि I checked my so from my account I'm following Plixo and the My Glam XO beauty creator wala page. Both the pages I'm following, so every once in a while I was getting this post, can't keep calm, these creators have joined us. And then you know I was feeling like yaar people are getting you know like getting selected, and I don't know what's my scene, man. And I had to go to the Plixo link and then sign in every time to see what the status is. So you know, like let's just like आई वॉज होपलेस टू बी ऑनेस्ट. ये सब बताने का मतलब ये था कि आई वॉज होपलेस. मुझे लगा ही नहीं था कि मैं सिलेक्ट होने वाली भी हूँ. एंड देन आई थिंक इट वॉज wait, I can tell. It was 21st October when I got to know that they have selected me, and वहाँ पे ऐसे लिखा आया था that you are being invited for this campaign to become the creator, and then you have to show that you are interested or you're not. So I called up my friend Anushka. She also has got selected. So first of all, congratulations Anushka, if you're watching this video. Love to you. So I called her and then I asked her everything, like clarified all the doubts that I had in my mind. One, that will I be able to give my honest opinion or not, because if I can't be honest about the products that I use, then I don't want these products, to be honest. And she told me, yeah, you don't have to speak about the products in a particular way. ऐसा कुछ मेंशन नहीं है. I also read the brief properly, तो मुझे भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. तो मैंने बोला okay, then it's fine. One more doubt that I had कि will I be able to use all the products that I have if I start using these? I know it sounds silly, but you know I had to be sure, of course. तो मैंने अनुष्का से वो बात पूछी कि you know is it that now I have to use only their products? So she was like, no, there are these only few posts and stories that they want us to make. Usme we have to use their products. Baki rest, the way we are managing our accounts, everything will remain the same. So मैंने बोला, oh my god, wow, then you know it's I don't think there's any reason that I should not accept this deal. तो मैंने फट से जाके accept किया, and then the whole thing started. I got a mail, I got a phone call. First of all, I got a phone call, then I got a mail, then I got added on a WhatsApp group. And that's where I get all the updates, and then the team is very nice. And अब तक तो मतलब I'm very happy with the way they respond. There is this admin who responds to our queries and whatever we want to ask, and she's very sweet. And Anushka की भी admin बहुत sweet है, being so patient. तो it's really nice. अब तक तो कुछ ऐसा मतलब बहुत मज़ेदार सा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. एंड आई हैव गॉट माई फर्स्ट पार्सल ऑल्सो. तो मतलब ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी मेकिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियो अगेन. लाइक ये मेरा पहला PR पार्सल था मेरी लाइफ का. तो फिर मैंने बोला ठीक है, इसका बनाया जाएगा वीडियो यूट्यूब पे. बट इसके बाद आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी मेकिंग मोर वीडियोज़ ऑन माई यूट्यूब, बट डेफिनेटली इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरीज में I'll keep you all updated. That's it about this video, and if you want more story time videos, then make sure that you give this one a big thumbs up and share this with your friends. I know this was not मतलब मैं इतना ज़्यादा comfortable अभी तक नहीं हूँ कैमरा से, because this was my first time talking ऐसा chatting in front of camera. And खुद सोचो यार, कैमरा को देख के कितना बात करने आता है. वैसे I think I'll get used to it and I'll be able to give more amazing story time videos. If you want me to make them, please इस वाले को थोड़ा, इस वीडियो को थोड़ा सपोर्ट करना. And that's it. Bye. Okay. Sorry अगर आप मुझे जज कर रहे हो तो फिर ठीक है, that's what you are here for. Okay, bye.